Jaap Eden Hall, sometimes anglicised Jaap Eden Hall, is a 4,500 capacity indoor ice rink located adjacent to Jaap Eden baan in Amsterdam, Netherlands. It is named after Dutch speed skater Jaap Eden. The Amsterdam G's are its primary tenant. The facility opened in 1973 and has also been used as a concert venue. The Jaap Eden Hall was created by rebuilding the hockey rink next to the track. In addition to being the home rink of the Amsterdam G's professional club and of the Amstel Tijgers amateurs, the Jaap Eden Hall was used for the National Ice Skating Championships in 1974. It has also hosted flea markets, exhibitions, a Saturday night disco skate popular with teenagers, the Amsterdam Skate Festival, including roller disco, and in particular concerts. Artists that have performed at the venue include ABBA, Marvin Gaye, Bob Marley, Rod Stewart, Siouxsie and the Banshees, John Denver, Iron Maiden, Olivia Newton-John, Dio, Run D.M.C. Their first appearance in the Netherlands, and The Police. In 1986 it was listed by Billboard as one of the major concert venues in the country. Official website.